Next, we will discuss properties of positive rays or canal rays. These rays travel in straight line in a direction opposite to cathode rays. If cathode rays move from negative to positive terminal, they will move from positive to negative terminal because it attract to opposite end. Reflection in an electric field also prove that they are positively charged because when we put them in electric and magnetic field, they are attracted towards the negative plate in an electric field. They do not originate from the anode. This is the most important concept, is that these rays are not originate from the anode, but in fact they are formed from the ionization of gas molecules. For example, I explained in the previous diagram and in previous Sir William Crookes discovery of cathode rays that the electrons are ionized from the gas molecules. Outer electrons are ionized from the gaseous atoms, and they will move from the cathode towards the anode. And and what is the anode and what is the canal rays? When gas molecules inside the discharge tube get ionized by passing electric current, they will give electrons and change into positive ions. That's why and the positive rays are produced. And there is one thing you should be clearly known, that because protein present inside the nucleus and nucleus doesn't break by ordinary chemical means, that's why ordinary chemical or physical means, that's why the positive rays, when electrons are removed by passing electricity, the left behind is positive ion. Positive ion, because positive ion is due to the presence of proton. That's why Goldstein said that there is also positive ion and positive particle present inside the gaseous atoms, because by ionizing gaseous atoms, the left behind particles have positive charge, and the positive charge is due to the presence of proton inside the nucleus in an atom. And the nature of these positive ions depends upon the matter, because we can say that if we take sodium atom and hydrogen atom, they have different atomic mass, and when the electron from them is removed, they will form different masses, or they form ions of different masses and different charge, sodium and magnesium. That's why the nature of the positive rays or canal rays depends upon the nature of matter used in discharge tube. But in the cathode rays, they does not depend upon the nature of the matter. But in this case, they depends upon the nature of the matter, because when electrons are removed from any gaseous atom, it will convert into positive rays or positive ions. And you know that some atoms are small and some atoms have big atomic masses, more atomic masses, and some have small less atomic masses and small in size, some have big in size. So the ions, positive ions which is formed, and positive rays which is formed inside the gas tube will be in more will be of different charge. So mass of positive rays, mass of these particles were first found equal to that of the proton or simple multiple of it. The mass of proton is 1814 times more than that of an electron. You can see that proton has 1840 times more mass than that of electron. These are made of positively charged particles. The mass and charge of these particles depend upon the nature of the gas in the discharge tube. These different gases produce different types of positive rays having particles of different masses and different charges. I have explained that because they are formed by the ionization of atoms, and by the removing of electron from the atom, and when the electron are removed, the left behind ion will be positive, and it will be called positive ion or cathode rays, and it will be equal to proton, and in mass it is, and that's why every atom, every gaseous atom and every element have different atomic masses, different size. That's why the positive ions which will be formed inside the tube will also be different, and they have different charge. Positive particles produced by gas will be of the same type, i.e. positive rays produced by the lightest gas hydrogen contain protons. But the positive particles which are produced have a type is the same, but charge is different, because an electron, and then that's why the charge on the electron is also same, and there depends, does not depends on on matter, but it depends on nature of the matter.